Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your rear brake calipers on a 7th gen Nissan Maxima. So I'm going to set you on the tripod and we're going to begin. All right, so first things first, we're going to move the wheel 21 mil. So we're going to move the caliper. It's two 19 mil bolts. Try to reach my hand around here. One right here, and then the other one at the bottom. And then the bottom one, you're gonna need ratchet wrench. Make sure you hold the caliper. Slide that off. I'm gonna hang it right here. Alright, so these are the new rear calipers for the Nissan Maxima. So these are from Power Stock, part number S6240. So check out the box. Figure out how to open it. Oh, I got upside down. Oh, no, I didn't have it. Alright. So for these labeled, let's see. I'll put this one. Alright. Just comparing them. So this one looks like the driver's side, so this one should be the passenger side. Don't throw a label. It's cool. Alright, so yeah, so this is the right side. Alright, so this is the driver's side, passenger side. Trying to figure out the passenger. If it does come labeled, it don't. So you know, just compared to your original. So the bleeder's at the top, and this one is in the top orientation too. So I'm gonna set you down on the tripod, and we're gonna start taking that one out. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna put this over. I'm gonna start putting in the bolts that hold it into place. And this is how I'm gonna do it. How you want to install it, it's up to you. So I'm gonna tighten this. Alright, and then it comes with its new retainers, and it comes with the two copper rings. If you're not replacing or upgrading, and it doesn't come with these, the part number for those little copper gaskets is 46237-A4600. Now, I should have looked at the box when I first got these to see, but I wouldn't have purchased these, but it's good just in case for the future, so I'll keep these since it comes with new ones. So now I got this wrapped in plastic. We're gonna move the 12 mil. I'm gonna take that out. It's gonna drip into the bag, and then we're going to get our new copper rings and attach it to the new caliper. I'll lay that to the side. Wiggle brake line up, let that drip in there. Remove the old copper gasket. Alright. Now I'm gonna remove this caliper. Alright, I'm gonna go wash my hands, be right back. Alright, I'm tightening the bolt. Alright. So this in, so what you can see is the copper washer, the brake hose, copper washer, and then the bolt. So I cleaned up all the little bit of brake fluid that came out. So that's all done. We could dispose of the old caliper. I got the new brake pads in the house, so I'm gonna go grab those, come back, we're gonna put those in, put the shims in, and then this will be done. All right, so now we're gonna need 14. I'm gonna undo the top. And these are greased already, so that's perfect. We're gonna let that dangle. I'm gonna set this right here. Make sure no debris or anything gets thrown on. All right, so I got the Power Stop Evolution brake pads. These are the rears, so these are carbon fiber ceramic brake pads, part number Z23-905. Open it up. So you got the shims, you have the rubber boots, and you got the bleed valve caps. Then you got the brake pads. And it also comes with the grease. So I'm gonna open these. Take these out, we'll set up. Alright, so I took out the shims. It comes with a ton, but you don't need all of them. You just need 2 for this side, 2 for the other. It's supposed to be 4, but they gave extras, which I ain't gonna complain. And they all should be exactly the same. Yep. Alright, so let me get the 2. Alright, so I got them separated. So you got these bigger ones, and then you got slightly smaller ones, which have numbers on them. These are too small for the Maxima, so the ones that has numbers imprinted on them, set them aside. You don't need them. You need the ones without the imprint, numbers imprinted on them. So you're gonna need 2 sets of these. So these are the ones without the numbers. So the orientation is going in is like this. So put it around the caliper, put it into its respective slots, and push down, it'll clip into place. And then get the other one. Orientation that goes in is that. And push up. Alright, they're clipped in. You don't need these because these are brand new calipers, so I'll say these for the future. We'll set those aside, set those aside. And then we are going to get the grease, and we're going to apply it around here and around here. Make sure you do not get it onto the brake pad itself. So do a little tear right here, and then I'll apply the grease. Alright. So the one with the little, with this sticking out the back, goes on the back side. So slide that in. Like so. And then get one side without it, which is the front side. I hate these little packets, but it's a lot easier when you ain't recording, because you just do it. But I want to be as detailed as I possibly can for those of y'all that's never done it before. So of course it's going to take a little bit extra time. All right. Put it into this hold, and push in. And we don't have to decompress the caliper because once again it's brand new. So you're just gonna slide it back up, push in the rubber boot, and then get our bolt, and we're gonna put that back in. And the reason you gotta apply grease to it, because when you press on the brake pad, this pushes the brake pads to your rotor to slow it down. So it needs the grease to easily push in and slide back out when you let go of the brake. If you don't have that grease, you just having basically friction. So when you press on the brakes, your brake pads could get stuck. So that's why you gotta apply the grease so that doesn't happen. So now you wanna tighten this. Make sure that boot's back in its place. Alright, that's done. We're gonna throw the wheel back on and then we're gonna do the opposite side. Alright, and this is the other side. See how bad that is compared to the one we just took off. But same thing, we're gonna take off this wheel and then we're gonna swap this wheel hub. Alright, so now that we got the wheel off, you see this one's pretty much flaking off. So the same thing like the passenger side, 2 19mm bolts. This is the last time I'm gonna be detailed. I'm just gonna go through this one because whatever you do to one side, you do to the opposite side too. The orientation is going in is like this. So put it around the caliper, put it into its respective slots, and push down, it'll clip into place. And then get the other one. Orientation that goes in is that. So the one with the little, with this sticking out the back, goes on the back side. So slide that in, put it into this hole, and push in. And we don't have to decompress the caliper because once again it's brand new. So you're just gonna slide it back up. Now you want to tighten this. Make sure that boot's back in its place. And that's how you replace your rear calipers on the 7th gen Nissan Maxima. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.